There are two types of telecom companies, those that stick to the script and those who have seen it fail far too many times to keep pretending. The telecoms industry is in a state of flux. The switch down of the PSTN network, public switch telephony network, is already well advanced here in the UK. In many countries globally, it's already been completed. What does that mean? It means old school telephone lines in telephone exchanges are being switched off, and you're being moved, whether you like it or not, to next generation technology. Bulbtech Group are a boutique voice provider. It means we can make a telephone number pretty much do anything. From an incoming call to be routed to a service desk the other side of the world, through to ensuring that all of your calls are recorded so you meet regulatory compliance with your appropriate regulator. We've delivered enterprise-grade Microsoft Teams voice solutions to small businesses in less than 2 days. We've connected a child safeguarding charity to a fully hosted, fully compliant call recording solution in just under a month. And we've stitched together global telephony systems with enough compliance caveats to make your head spin. It doesn't matter about the solution you have today. What matters is about getting the future-proofed platform that you need in your business. If voice matters to your business and you're out of patience with the average, we should talk.